Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best foot rockers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vive foot rocker. If you want to safely stretch your feet, the foot rocker from Vive will be an ideal pick. It comes in an ergonomic design to give your feet a gentle motion that will relieve pain and improve circulation and even reduce fatigue. Apart from that, the foot rocker will give a deep stretch on the lower leg muscles, ligaments and tendons. The good thing is that it comes at a pocket-friendly price for all budgets. Another good thing about this foot rocker is that it has non-slip rubber strips at the bottom to make sure that it will not slide on any surface. The raised heel plate, on the other hand, will lock your heel in place to prevent unwanted injuries. You ought to buy with confidence now that you are guaranteed a refund of money in case you are not satisfied. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rolling With It premium quality foot rocker. Orthopedic specialists, as well as the athletic trainers, agree that this will be the right way to treat tight claves. This product comes from a USA-based brand that makes sure that it delivers your anticipated results. The unique thing about this foot rocker is that it comes with exercise tutorials together with instructions to help you make the most out of it. The feet stretcher perfectly aligns your feet in the best position in order to enhance stretch on your lower leg as well as the foot muscles. You will also appreciate that one size fits all, which simply means that it can be used by people with different foot sizes. The bottom of this accessory has been made in an anti-slip design to make sure that you remain very safe when using it. At number 3, we have the Step Stretch Bilateral Calf Stretcher and Foot Rocker. This is a medically proven tool that will aid in deep and effective stretches compared to conventional methods like curb stretching. Using this tool daily will reduce pain brought by heel pain, Server's disease as well as the tight calves. You will have the option of choosing between the bilateral and unilateral styles based on your fitness needs. The unit comes with advanced rubber strips at the bottom to prevent it from sliding and moving. For this reason, therefore, you can expect to have a very safe and effective stretch. Since this product comes all the way from the USA, you should at least have the confidence to buy. The best thing is that its price is very budget-friendly. At number 2, we have the ProStretch Plus, Blue, Calf Stretcher and Foot Rocker. This is the ultimate tool for the treatment and prevention of leg ailments such as plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, shin splints among others. The removable toe lift is going to deliver maximum toe and plantar fascia stretch for a more focused stretch. You will appreciate that this foot rocker fits most shoe sizes and is favored by expert athletes and trainers. The product has been proven to give a deep and effective stretch in order to increase flexibility in the interconnective chain. It will also be ideal for soothing the tight calves and strengthening the weak Achilles tendons. This foot rocker is made by manufacturers based in the USA who also provide a warranty of 1 year on this product. And finally at number 1, we have the ProStretch, the original calf stretcher and foot rocker. The ProStretch foot rocker is medically proven to offer a deep and more effective stretch compared to some conventional methods. It will prevent and treat the common lower leg ailments including plantar fasciitis and tight hamstrings. With a slip-resistant bottom, you should use this foot rocker confidently knowing that it will never slip off. The product has been made in the United States of America by a reputable brand which should give you the confidence to buy. You will also appreciate that this foot rocker accompanies a warranty of 1 year from the manufacturers. If the number of ratings that this product has gained on Amazon is anything to go by, it is then clear that this product is very reliable. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.